Norman Brudy. Norman Brudy, 1919–2000, was a salesman, government lobbyist, and a Canadian Communist politician and election candidate. He served for a time as leader of the Communist Party of Alberta. Political career: Brudy ran as a Labour Progressive Party candidate in the 1953 Canadian federal election. He was badly defeated, finishing last out of 5 candidates in the Regina City electoral district to incumbent Cooperative Commonwealth Federation Member of Parliament Alfred Claude Ellies. In 1968, Brudy had a falling out with the Communist Party and was squeezed out of the executive committee after criticizing the party's policies and the Soviet Union. Brudy moved to Toronto, Ontario, and began lobbying the provincial government for rent control laws, which were enacted in 1975. He ran for federal office again as a candidate for the Communist Party of Canada in the Don Valley electoral district for the 1974 Canadian federal election. He was defeated, finishing second last out of 6 candidates, losing to incumbent Progressive Conservative Member of Parliament James McPhail Gillies. Brudy ran for the Federal Communists again 10 years later in 1984 Canadian federal election. He finished 6th place out of 7 candidates in the electoral district of Scarborough East, losing to Progressive Conservative candidate Bob Hicks. After the federal election, Brudy moved to Alberta and became leader of the Communist Party Alberta. He would take over leadership of the party after the 1986 Alberta general election from David Wallace. The second election he was leader for was the 1989 Alberta general election. He led the party into that one, fielding just 2 candidates and winning 85 votes. He retired as leader in 1992, and the party leadership transferred to Naomi Rankin. Brudy died in 2000. References ==